Hey guys, so I am back with another video and there's something new about me. So I have some new specs, guys. If you've been a long time viewer, you would have seen that another pair of my favorite glasses was from Fumu, and these are from Fumu as well. So this should tell you guys that I love the company, I love the quality of the glasses, and I will leave all the information about this pair of glasses as well as any discount codes and vouchers that I have in the description box. I find that the website is very easy to use, very user-friendly, and the process is very simple. Also guys, the quality of the lens, like, I'm not even joking, Fumu paid me no money. All they did was give me a discount on this pair of glasses, so I have no reason to be lying for Fumu. The quality of the lens is seriously the best lens quality I have ever had. No joke, hands down. And I find that it is super affordable. And the frames are very sturdy, guys. Like, this isn't even a joke, very sturdy. This time around I got plastic frames. The last time I got the ones that had the knobs here, but I don't like these. Very sturdy, very strong. The lens quality again, beautiful. Also, and this pair was not sponsored at all whatsoever, I got me some prescription sunglasses, guys. I got me some prescription sunglasses. I've been wanting to do that for the longest while, but I've never done it. And this makes me not have to wear my contacts. My eyes are very sensitive, and every time I wear contacts, my eyes get irritated and dry. So I don't like to wear them, but I like to wear sunglasses. They make me feel bougie. So I got me this pair, guys. I can see clearly with these sunglasses. Again, the quality of the lens, beautiful. I have no complaints. Guys, if you are in the Caribbean, do not fear. You can order from Fumu. You can do your eye examination and ask your eye doctor to give you a copy of your prescription. It is your prescription. There should be no denial for a copy of your prescription. Of course, if you don't need any prescription glasses, you can get them for style. I think I'm going to get another pair that's more funky, like my older pair. I quite enjoyed my older pair. I'm going to get another funky pair. But I am quite happy to have these as my basic standard pair. And I have been thoroughly enjoying these pair of sunglasses. So let me quickly show you how the glasses and the sunglasses are packaged. This is an eyeglasses case and it has Fumu on the top, and it's quite nice. It has a map of supposedly the world. Yes, so it's very sturdy. And in the eyeglasses case, you have your eyeglasses cleaner folded neatly inside. So the glasses came in this plastic pouch, and this plastic pouch was in this case, and the case was in an alternative case that Fumu sends with you. Sends for you, sorry. And it is this case. I used this to carry my sunglasses around instead of carrying the bulkier case. And all of this came in this pouch, so it won't cost you very much. The weight won't be much if you're shipping to St. Lucia or the Caribbean, because I know shipping is very expensive based on weight. Also, Fumu always sends extras for you guys, for us. They send these lens screwdrivers. If you have the knobs, like my sunglasses has the knobs, they send you an extra pair of knobs and they send you extra screws. Very affordable, like I said. This came to $40 US because I put additional things on it. For example, my eyes are very, very bad. I think -7 and -6, and I have an astigmatism in my right eye. But I made the lens super, super thin, so you don't see the thickness of the lens. So you have these options. They have thin, super thin, ultra thin, and for the sunglasses, they even have different options for the color of the lens. They have polarized. So you have many, many options. So it's almost like you're going to the market and you're picking what you want. Yes, you can't go wrong with that for such an affordable price. So in total, I have a pair of glasses, prescription glasses, guys, and prescription sunglasses for under $100 US. Like, what else do you want? Like, so if you want to benefit from this great service, then check the information in the description bar. Don't forget to like, don't forget to share this goodness with somebody. Like, why not? We're all trying to save here. And don't forget to subscribe if you're new to my channel.